Hello traders. When it comes to making money in the financial markets, you increasingly hear that the key to stable profits. It's not just strategy, not just analysis, not just discipline. All of this is important, undoubtedly, but there is another, perhaps the most underrated factor, the timing of market entry. It is the entry point chosen at the right moment that can turn an ordinary trade into a highly profitable one. This is where something special emerges over the price. A trading robot that not only provides signals, but selects them with perfect market timing. Today I will talk about it, and in the meantime, subscribe and like this video. And to start, I want to open the first trade using the trading robot. The currency pair is Euro to US dollar, and all we have left to do is select this currency pair on the trading robot itself. So let's go ahead and do that. We will also select the required expiration time, 1 minute, and we have a signal for the price to increase. So as soon as we have a ready signal, we open a deal on the signal. And in this case, it is a price increase. And now all we have left to do is wait for it to finish. In the meantime, let's talk about trading robots. There are many of them, they are different, but most of them do not take the main thing into account. The market is not static, it is alive. It breathes, it can be calm. Calm in the morning and aggressive in the evening. It changes due to news, sessions and volumes. And to hit the mark, you need to instantly process huge amounts of data. And I created my trading robot precisely for this purpose. To give traders, especially beginners, the opportunity to trade not by chasing the movement, but to enter the market before the movement begins. And this is just one aspect that makes my trading robot special. It also analyzes not only technical indicators, not only candlestick patterns, but tracks activity across multiple time frames. It pays attention to market volumes, taking into account the time of day, and even the behavior of market participants based on statistics and neural network models. It's not just a scalper or a trend assistant, it's a complete system with one priority, the most accurate entry into a trade at the right moment. And you can connect it today for free. You can do so via the link in the description below this video. The setup is very simple. You choose a currency pair, specify the expiration time, and the bot does everything else. It scans the market, looks for patterns, and gives you a signal that already contains all the key parameters. Your task is simply to follow this signal, and therein lies the true power. You no longer search for opportunities, you receive them ready-made, with precise timing, exact direction, and logic based on technical analysis embedded in the trading robot itself. In the meantime, look, we can record the first profit for today. We have a gain on the first trade. So, an excellent result. I suggest we don't waste time, don't miss opportunities, and move on to the second currency pair. For this, let's update our trading robot. A list of currency pairs appears again, and we select the next currency pair with the broker. And let it be the Australian dollar to the Japanese yen with a high payout percentage. We see we have the currency pair, we select the same currency pair on the trading robot. We also request a signal, and we have a sell signal. Therefore, as soon as we have a ready trading signal, we open a trade to lower the price. But, in any other case, we open a trade in the direction indicated by the trading robot. In the meantime, I'll tell you about a little life hack. The most interesting part begins when you start trading based on the trading robot's signals at the right time of day. Morning hours, when the European sessions open, the overlap of Europe and America where volatility reaches its peak, or even the nighttime movements during the Asian session when the market is more predictable. The bot analyzes all this and adapts it for itself. It doesn't just tell you where the price will go, it indicates exactly when you need to enter to maximize the deal. And if you're just starting your journey in trading, forget about spending dozens of hours studying complex strategies. You don't need to try to understand the market by feel. All you need to do is connect the trading robot and let it show what it can do. In my open Telegram channel, I demonstrate it in real action every day. So, if you have any doubts, join in and watch the signals, trades, and results. There is also a private channel where there is more analysis, explanations, and trading sessions where you can observe the trading robot's efficiency in real time. I will leave all the links in the description under this video, and if you want to join the private channel, message me directly. But the most amazing thing is that even beginners earn with this trading robot. Why? Because the main mistake beginners make is either being late or rushing. They enter the market at the wrong time, which means even a correct idea loses its meaning. But with the bot, you get that very moment when the market is ready to give you profit. And this is the key to stable growth. Of course, even with a perfect entry, you should not forget about risk management. And in this case, I recommend using no more than 5 to 10% of the deposit per trade, especially if you are just starting out. And for now, we can already take the second profit for today. We have a profit lock on the second open trade. Look, on a higher time frame, you can see how the downward movement is working out in the global downtrend, which in fact was predicted by our trading robot. It analyzed well. The market gave us a ready signal that we used, and now we have a profit. And I can confidently say that the trading robot and perfect market timing is the formula that works. This has already been proven by hundreds of traders, and now it's time for you to use it for yourself, not missing the opportunities the market gives you. Just connect the robot that knows exactly when to catch them. Well, I will be wrapping up today's video here. Thank you for watching it to the end. Be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more useful content ahead. See you soon.